Yo, what's up, guys? International. Oh man, I've had so many delays with this package. This pickup I had for y'all, man. It's late. I won the raffle. The shoe was supposed to be delivered Saturday. I wasn't home. They wanted a signature. So then Monday I was gonna pick it up. I went to the local hub. They said it's still with the driver because they don't do drop-offs on Mondays to a drop-off location. So then they were supposed to bring it to this drop-off location. It's Walgreens Tuesday. Didn't get it. Called FedEx. They said still with the driver. He came to the house. Didn't come to the house. Didn't ring the doorbell. And they would leave a door tag. There was no door tag. So he lied. So now finally it's been dropped off at the drop-off location today. So that's what, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 5 days I've had to wait for this package over some dumb shit. Also, I got an issue with UPS, and I'll probably do a whole nother video to talk about the UPS shit, because they pissed me off too. So that's that. Let's go get this package.
Ass box. Like, look at this box. They put it in. But shout out to Social Status. I'll take it however, man. I ain't tripping. As long as I got the W.
All right, guys. We are back at the crib, and it's time to unbox this big box. And let's see what we got. Let's get it popping. I know what it is. Man, how do I unbox this thing? Like, where's the... All right, I'm gonna start here.
A few moments later.
Man, God. Here we go. You see the box. You see what it is. You know what it is, of course, by the description. The 10 Nike Blazer Mid. You can see that. So let's go ahead and get to it. Which colorway did I get? The tan colorway. These are nice. Got the tag on it. Of course, you can see says laces, shoelaces on here. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the good people at Social Status. I won the raffle. It takes the process when you do an in-store raffle with them. You fill out the raffle in their store, and if you win, they send you an email, and then you have to pay for an invoice and then wait on them to ship the shoe. So like it took, I think almost 2 weeks for to get it, but I mean I'm not tripping. It's worth it. As you can see here on the side, it has the tagging on the side. You know what I'm saying? With the logo for the Off-White for Nike. These are nice, man. These are nice. I think they were $159. Yeah. So, of course, Virgil has been, you know, making his rounds and his run with the Off-White collection. Nike has been really running with it. Also, Nike they're doing the Off-White Air Max tomorrow. I think the 9.7 Air Max, but I will be checking for those tomorrow. So if you are looking for them, you can find them tomorrow on the draw. But yeah, I rock with these. Definite cop. We'll be adding these to the collection, so you can check those out. If you like the review, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the page, because of course I will be doing more reviews. And actually, I'm about to do another video because I have a story to tell. So you'll be checking into that video next. But yeah, overall, these are dope. I like these. I'm going to rock these. These are hard. So yeah. Till then, y'all be cool.